Hey everybody, thanks for popping into the channel. Welcome back to previous viewers and welcome to new viewers. We're going to get started with this 1970 VW Baja Bug, listed for $12,500 US in Highland, California. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. 1970 convertible Baja Bug, fuel-injected liquid-cooled Ford turbo motor, front-mounted radiator under hood, VW Bud trans, fully caged front to back, street legal. Registration is current, $12,500 or best offer, no trades. And up next we have this 1959 Porsche 718 RSK, listed for $54,999 US in Anaheim, California. It's been driven 2,641 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, $54,999 or best offer, 1959 Porsche 718 RSK replica, fiberglass body with a modified Beck 550 Spider chassis, mid-mounted 2276cc VW engine, 4-speed manual transaxle, drum rear brakes and front disc brakes, has some typical rock chips and minor paint blemishes, windshield is cracked on the passenger side. Alright, interesting paint job on this one. Here we have a 1976 Bradley GT, listed for $7,000 US in Sheridan, Oregon. It has a manual transmission, listed in good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1976 Bradley GT, runs and drives well, Super Beetle VW engine, clean Oregon title in hand. Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $29,500 US in Elgin, Texas. It's been driven 2,500 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, small block Chevy 350, 700 R4 trans, Jaguar rear end, disc brakes, side exhaust, title in hand. And here we have a 1927 Bugatti replica, listed for $17,000 US in Auburn, California. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, 1927 Bugatti replica on a Volkswagen frame, high performance 2275cc engine. Alright, I think this one is the pick of the litter today for me. This is a 1962 Ferrari GTO, listed for $75,000 US in Austin, Texas. It's been driven 15,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and from the seller's description. 1962 250 GTO, McBurney body, 1977 280Z chassis, super fun, fast, and looks amazing. California car, running, driving, registered, passing inspection. And up next, we have this 1934 Fraser Nash, listed for $5,000 US in Venice, California. It's been driven 20,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, running great, 1934 Fraser Nash replica on a 1967 donor Volkswagen, historic plates. Alright, this one is a project, obviously, a 1989 Batmobile, listed for $7,000 US in Forked River, New Jersey. Its condition is listed as new, and from the seller's description. For sale in Forked River, New Jersey, best price ever, ready to ship or be picked up. Okay, here we have a 1930 Bentley convertible, listed for $6,000 US in Maynardville, Tennessee. It's been driven 10,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1930 Bentley kit car on a VW pan, 53 horsepower VW engine, runs and drives great, clear title, 6,000 or best offer, might look at trades, no motorcycles or boats. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1968 Dune buggy, listed for $7,459 US in Charlotte, North Carolina. It is a manual transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1968 Apache Sandshark Dune buggy, street legal, clean title, rebuilt VW 1641cc dual port engine. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you will not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.